everyone, I wanted to do a quick review on fashionnova.com. I live in Canada and I've made quite a few orders, and so I think that I have a pretty good idea of their ship times and quality. One of the things I notice when I am shopping on their website, I wish that they did have a drop-down menu to put the prices in Canadian dollars. I do like that they recently made it that if you spend $75 US, you get free shipping to Canada. Before, that was only to the United States for free shipping. I also like that I do not have to pay customs when I am shipping my Fashion Nova clothes into Canada. I've made 5 orders now and I've never had to pay customs, which is one of the reasons I stopped shopping at places like Misguided, because the customs are ridiculous. The shipping prices anyways, $8 US, I think is pretty fair if you don't want to spend the $75. I think that their clothes are pretty good quality, that they do fit the same as the size charts say. The reviews I think are quite accurate, especially if you watch the YouTube videos on how things fit, and they are very stylish on trend clothes, which is awesome. So one of the problems, I think maybe the only problem I have with Fashion Nova is I had made orders before and paid for them, and then 3 days later when my order is shipped, they say that something was out of stock and then they send me a gift card. Both times that has happened to me, I have asked them to just refund the money to my credit card instead of giving me a gift card, and they have. But it is a pain that they don't just tell you when something is not in stock when you order it. I haven't had that happen in a while, so hopefully they did fix that. But if you're interested in my review, then please keep watching. The Electric Lightning Romper. I believe that this came in royal blue and black. I really like that this has the spaghetti straps in the back, but it also makes it so that you can't wear a bra. The spaghetti straps in the back are adjustable, which is really nice, and the front part has metal in the middle so that it keeps shape, so you don't have to worry about flashing everybody when you're on the dance floor. I wore this outfit in Las Vegas and I got so many compliments. These have to be some of my favorite jeans that I own. These are the classic high-waist skinny jeans in dark. I'm not a huge fan of how it looks on me in the front. I feel like I need more hips, but the back makes your butt look so nice. I am obsessed. This top is called the Crack of Dawn shirt, and it's in the color mauve. I got it in size medium just because small was sold out, and I'm actually kind of happy that I got it in medium. It is quite short. The Savage Mode crop top, I really like it. I do find that it's quite short though. I wish that it was a little bit longer. It does have these ripped details, which I think is cool. It's kind of like Kanye inspired. The next sweater I have kind of a hard time wearing because it is so low. I feel like it tends to fall off my shoulders a lot. You can wear it like that and style it like that, and it does look quite nice. This is called the I'm Blowing Up sweater in tan. Work got me distressed jeans. They are true to size. I got a size 3 and size 3 in the other ones as well. This does have a different name in the tag. It does not say Fashion Nova, but I really like these jeans. The Foxy Lady Jumpsuit. I feel like it is very nice because it goes up so high, but because it is a jumpsuit and it's very tight fitting, I really enjoy it. I love the zipper on the back, and I don't find that this jumpsuit is see-through, which is really nice. With the jumpsuit, I like to style it with a jacket. So this is the Windy City coat in gray. I think it's made of a wool material. It's really, really nice. This next top I'm quite sad about. It is the Favorite Tee bodysuit in olive. I really, really, really love the way that this looks. It has the snaps at the bottom, but the front is so low cut that I just can't wear it out. Like, it just shows my bra all the time. My newest jacket that I got is called the After School jacket, and I just love this style of like high school jacket. It has snap buttons and it also has a zipper on it. It's not as thick of a material as I thought it would be, but it is really, really nice. This next dress I literally just took out of the package. It's called the Kanella Stiped dress, and I really need to iron it, as you can tell. But I think that it's super cute. It's like brunchy or to wear to a baby shower or even in the summer. My boyfriend says that it looks like a bed sheet, but you know, I am digging it. The Limitless Babe maxi dress in the color white. I feel like you can't wear anything under it. I knew that you couldn't wear a bra. It has a zipper all the way down the front, and the straps are adjustable, the spaghetti straps. But I feel like it shows your underwear line, and I hate that. So, I mean, I guess I have to just not wear anything under this. This is a thicker material, so I'm actually surprised that it is see-through, but here I did take off my underwear and you can see that there is no lines, so I guess I'll have to figure that out. But it's super pretty. The only pair of shoes that I bought are the What Now heels in nude. They are so stinking cute and they're made of vegan leather. The only thing that sucks about these is I was walking like the third time I got them and the heel literally fell off. It was brutal. We had to glue it back together. The glue seems to be holding, but I am really nervous to wear them with an outfit in case it does fall off again. These have a different name in them, not Fashion Nova. Regular gold hoop earrings, they fit into the backing themselves, and they're really, really cute. I really enjoy them. What didn't make the cut for me were these Utopia jeans. I bought them in size 26, and they did not look very good. The next we have is the Nova Season jumpsuit in black. I was obsessed with this, but from washing it so many times, it became completely see-through and I had to get rid of it. So disappointing.